Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the incredible features of the Shark AI Ultra voice control robot vacuum. This innovative vacuum is a game changer for homes with pets, offering powerful suction and self-emptying capabilities to keep your home clean and fresh. With its Matrix Clean navigation, the Shark AI Ultra ensures that no spots are missed, using a precision matrix grid to tackle dirt and debris on all floor types. It even features a self-cleaning brush roll that's designed to pick up more hair and prevent annoying hair wrap. Plus, with its 360 lidar vision, the Shark AI Ultra can quickly and accurately map your home for methodical and efficient cleaning. And with the Shark Clean app and voice control compatibility, you can easily schedule cleanings and initiate them with just the sound of your voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. So, if you're tired of constantly emptying your vacuum and dealing with pet hair and debris, the Shark AI Ultra is the solution you've been looking for. It's time to upgrade to hands-free, powerful cleaning. Click the link in the description to get your own Shark AI Ultra voice control robot vacuum today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and demonstrations. Happy cleaning!